And this is my collection of Stihl chainsaws. Pretty good collection. Got the 064 AV 20-inch bar. Runs good. Cuts good. Got a full skip link chain. And this is 310. It's got a 20-inch bar. It runs good too. I haven't cut much with that one. Then we got Stihl's most popular saw, Farm Boss 290. It's a good one. 18-inch bar on it. And got the little bitty one over here. It's a 009. It's got a 14-inch bar on it. They're all good saws. All cut good. All run good. And wouldn't mind to have 4 or 5 more. And that's my collection of Stihl chainsaws.